Some may ask, why are we doing a whole show just on this one particular provision being made from mandatory to optional? Because it's so important to understand, as Vrinda was saying, and you did a whole piece on this, as to how this notice business is used routinely by right-wing groups to try and, in a way, detect these couples at the registrar's office and then use that as a tool to harass them.
Absolutely. In fact, this judgment has come as a breath of fresh air in this entire scenario that's right now on in UP, because I, in fact, traveled to a lot of places. We scrutinized almost 8 of these cases. And as you pointed out, we had done a piece on how these Hindu fringe groups, including the VHP, or is it the Bajrang Dal or Ashtra Hindu Bahini, this law has actually emboldened these groups to run a parallel policing of sorts. So they, in fact, very boastfully tell us about how they have these moles, these sources in all these registrars' office. They have these people in the police department. They have these people at the magistrate's office who give them tip-offs. In fact, they have these kind of WhatsApp groups in which these tip-offs are put when, say, a couple reaches the office to, in fact, even inquire about the documents that are required to get a marriage registered. In fact, one case that we saw was in Hardoi, in which the couple on 30th November had, in fact, gone to the registrar's office to get their marriage registered under the Special Marriage Act.
Right.
Now, just imagine for a couple who wants to get married, both are majors, they are going to the office just to inquire about the documents that are required to get their marriage registered. There is no angle of any conversion, or there is no angle of any force here. And even
so in
then,
that sense,
these right-wing groups, so they give a tip-off to the girl's father, who comes and then picks up the girl, and then the girl is forced to give a statement saying that the man forced me, and then he's put behind bars.
Right. So in that sense, this is going to make a big difference, we hope,